Good evening, everyone. Now I'm going to show you another ladder diagram. So this ladder diagram is the one that I use. This is the PD, and which is called leading edge one shot. So this output instruction to this is output instruction PD to show you and how this is the proximity sensor and toggle on and toggle off this blue light. Okay, so this is a leading edge one shot PD output instruction. Actually, it is comparable to this is a one shot raising output instruction used in the Allen Bradley. So this one is also it's a comparable. That's a PD. So this out one shot raising OSR, and in the Allen Bradley PLC, it means that if the input instruction is true, so this is the OSR and will be triggered, and will be turned on and will be energized and turned on, but will be turned on, will be remaining on only for one cycle. And then after this one cycle, and so this is the output of this is the OSR and will be turned off. The same thing here for this Do More PLC, and we use PD, which is called leading edge one shot. It's the same thing. So for this case, if this is proximity sensor detects something, okay, if this guy detects something, this guy will become true. As a result, this PD will be triggered, and PD will be triggered. So this output here, C0, this bit will be turned on. However, this guy will be turned on and will be only on for one cycle. After another cycle, so it will be turned off automatically. So this I need to tell you this. So let's show you how it works. So at the very beginning, the blue light is turned off. The blue light is off. Okay, so you need to know at the very beginning, just assume at the very beginning the blue light is off. And because this guy is off, right? This off means false. If this guy is false, so this blue lights, this is the oblique line. If we put an oblique line here, so this blue lights opposite line and will be true, right? So see Y1 and Y1, so they have the same address, but I put here and have oblique line here. Oblique line means that this is opposite. So this case, if this guy Y1 is true, so for this one, the whole thing here will be, I'm sorry, if this one is a false, so this guy will be true at the very beginning. So this is at the very beginning. At the very beginning, if the proximity sensor detects something, and so this is PD, and so this is a C0, this is a bit of PD, and will be turned on. So even though it is turned on for one cycle, and one cycle means that so my CPU or my PLC scan this run, and then this is one cycle, and then go back from here to it again, and this is the next cycle. So even for one cycle, this guy is turned on because, as I said at the very beginning, this guy is false. So this opposite one will be true. So once this one is turned on and this one will be turned on, so as a result, this guy will be turned on. You know, okay? This guy will be turned on. See, after this guy is turned on, okay? This guy is turned on. So this guy's opposite will be off, right? So, however, look at for this branch, if this guy is turned on, and so this guy will be on, as I said, after the next cycle, the C0 will be turned off automatically. If this guy is turned off, this is the opposite line, this oblique line, and so this will be opposite of C0, so this guy will be true. And so because this one is true and this one will be true, And so as a result, this blue light will be true. So I'm going to tell you, okay? So if this is a proximity sensor detects something from at the very beginning, so the blue light will be turned on by this branch, and then this blue light will be remaining on by this branch. So the whole picture is that if this proximity sensor detects something, the blue light will be turned on and will remain on, right? So this is my first time. If after this one is blue light is turned on, okay, it remain on, then if my proximity sensor detects something again, right? So this next trigger is detects something again. So this PD will be triggered again. So this blue light will be turned off and will remain off. So how it work? And you can still use these two branches. So I'm going to explain this one to you. Suppose, okay, so my proximity sensor detects something. I have this blue light is turned on and it is remaining on. Now, my proximity sensor detects something again, right? Detects something again because at this point, blue light is on. Blue light is on, it's true. Then this proximity sensor detects something again. So this is a C0 and will be turned on for the first cycle. Will be turned on, right? So if this is C0 is turned on, C0 is on, right? For this branch, if C0 is on because my blue light has been turned on already, right? If this is on, this is true, so this opposite line will be false. Even though this is true, this will false. So for this branch, so the blue light should be turned on. For second branch, because the blue light is true, right? Blue light is true here, see? Blue light is true, this is true. So my C0 is true for the first cycle. So this opposite one will be false. That means this branch is false and this branch is false. So as a result, this blue light will be turned off and will remain off even after one cycle. So this C0 becomes false again. The whole picture is that when my proximity sensor detects something at the very beginning, I just assume the blue light is off. At the very beginning, if my proximity sensor detects something, my blue light will be turned on and will remain on. Okay? Then, if my proximity sensor detects something again, and this PD is triggered again, so this blue light will be turned off and remain off. So that means this proximity sensor can be used to toggle on and toggle off this blue light. So this is, you can see this PD here leading the edge one shot. This output instruction is very, very useful. Okay, so for this case, if you have any questions regarding how to use this is a leading edge one shot output instruction, and you can just leave some comments and under this is a YouTube video. As I said, this is for the Bluetooth. This is for the Do More PLC, for the Allen Bradley PLC, and we have the OSR. This is one shot raising, which is very similar. Which the function of OSR for Allen Bradley PLC is the same as this PD and for this Do More PLC. So in the following lectures, in following videos, I'm going to show you on how to build these ladder diagrams using Allen Bradley on this PLC. And Allen Bradley this is a ladder diagram language. So thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you have a wonderful night.